Hello and welcome. You're watching Next IAS English Places in News, where we cover all the important news, all the important places which are in news for the week. So let's quickly get started. The first place in news is Sri Lanka. Now, why has Sri Lanka made headlines? Because at least 334 are confirmed dead and over 300 are missing in the Ditwa devastation in Sri Lanka. So, as you all know, there has been a Ditwa cyclone in Sri Lanka in which 334 have been confirmed dead and 300 have been missing. And let us know about the crucial facts about Sri Lanka. So, Sri Lanka here, you can see in the map, it is very close neighbor of India. This is India, this is Sri Lanka, and the location is island nation in South Asia, Indian Ocean, and the capital is Sri Jayawardhanepura Kotte, and then the government is unitary semi-presidential republic, and the legislative capital is Sri Jayawardhanepura Kotte again. Administrative, judicial and commercial capital is Colombo. Alright, now let us look at some key highlights about Sri Lanka. You can see Sri Lanka in the world map. This is the world map and this is Sri Lanka. Now, the island is called the Pearl of Indian Ocean for its beauty, and Sri Lanka's recorded history spans over 3,000 years with ancient settlements. There were ancient settlements over 3,000 years, and it was historically known as Ceylon before becoming the Republic of Sri Lanka. So, before becoming the Republic of Sri Lanka, Sri Lanka was known with the name Ceylon, and it is founding member of SAARC, G77 and the non-aligned movement NAM, in which again India also plays a very important role. So this is all about Sri Lanka. Moving forward, let us look at the second place in news, which is Qatar. Now, why has Qatar made to the headlines? Let us look at it. But before that, let's look at the map of Qatar in the map. So here, in Saudi Arabia, this is Qatar, and Qatar says it hopes to push Hamas Israel to the next talks phase very soon. So Qatar has said that it is going to push Hamas and Israel for a deal, for a peace deal, and for the next phase of their talks very soon. Qatar is known to organize such diplomatic talks between two nations which are not doing really well. So that is what Qatar is always known and done. And that makes it a big soft power. So let us know some crucial facts about Qatar. The capital and the largest city of Qatar is Doha. Location is Qatar Peninsula. The government is unitarily parliament, semi-constitutional monarchy under an authoritarian state, and the borders, it shares land borders with Saudi Arabia to the south and surrounded by the Persian Gulf on all other sides. So it shares, you can see, land borders with Saudi Arabia here, and then surrounded by all the sides with Persian Gulf. So you can see Qatar in the world map here. This is the location of Qatar, and let's look at some key highlights about Qatar. Flat and desert-like landscape with sand dunes, rocky plains and with salt flats. It is flat desert-like landscape it has, and it has hot desert climate with extremely high temperatures during the summer over 40 degrees Celsius or 104 Fahrenheit, and mild winters around 18 to 24 degrees Celsius or 64 to 75 Fahrenheit. Now, small native population with a large expatriate workforce, particularly from South Asia and the Philippines. So it has small native population, but it has a lot of people coming from outside to work in Qatar, especially from South Asia and the Philippines. A blend of traditional Bedouin culture and modern global influences. So it is a blend of some Bedouin culture, and so it is a blend of Bedouin culture and also modern global influences are also there. So this was all about Qatar. Moving forward to the third places in news, which is Mount Fuji. So why has Mount Fuji made to the headlines? Japan's iconic Mount Fuji finally gets its first snow cap of winter. So Japan's iconic Mount Fuji has finally got his first snow cap of winter. Now let us know some crucial facts about Mount Fuji. The name is Mount Fuji. It is an active stratovolcano, as if you do not know, and then the elevation of this is 3,776.24 meters, and then the location is Honshu in Japan, and the last eruption of Mount Fuji was in from 1707 to 1708, and you can see the location of Mount Fuji in Japan. This is Japan and this is Mount Fuji. And moving forward, let us look at some key highlights of Mount Fuji. Mount Fuji is an active stratovolcano. It lies in the Honshu Island, about 100 kilometers from Tokyo. So it is about 100 kilometers from Tokyo, and it lies in the Honshu Island, and its symmetrical snow-covered cone for 5 months symbolizes Japanese culture and national identity. So And also it's coned, which is covered, snow covered for 5 months. It symbolizes Japanese culture and also their national identity. It is designated a UNESCO World Heritage Cultural Site in 2013. So this Mount Fuji was designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Cultural Site in 2013, in 2013. All right, moving forward, let us look at the next places in news, which is Myanmar. So why has Myanmar made to the headlines? Let's look at it. Janta airstrike on hospital in Myanmar kills 31 and injures 68. So as you all know that Myanmar is going through a politically unstable time, and where now the Janta has airstriked in a hospital where 31 people have been killed and 68 have been injured. Now let us look at the crucial facts about Myanmar. So the capital of Myanmar is Naypyidaw, and the largest city is Yangon. The government is Unitary Assembly Independent Republic under a military junta. Now it shares land borders with China in the north and the northeast, with Laos in the east, with Thailand in southeast, and Bangladesh in the west, and also it shares borders with India in the northwest. Now you can see in the world map, you can see the location of Myanmar here. This is the location of Myanmar. It shares borders with India as well, and the coastline is Andaman Sea, Bay of Bengal to the south and to the southwest. Now let us look at some key highlights of Myanmar. Myanmar is located in the heart of Southeast Asia, features significant mountain ranges. So it has very nice significant mountain ranges. In February 2021, the military Tatmadaw seized power, ousting the elected government led by Aung San Suu Kyi. So the military snatched their power, the elected government, which the leader of the elected government was Aung San Suu Kyi, and the coup has exacerbated existing humanitarian challenges, including displacement and food insecurity. So there have been many challenges for humans, and including displacement and food insecurity. The political instability has severely impacted the economy also, with reduced foreign investment and increased poverty rates. So in Myanmar, the poverty rates have been increased and the foreign investment have been decreased, and the people are poverty stricken, and there is food insecurity and displacement because of all the political unrest and political instability happening in the region. So that was all about Myanmar. Moving forward to the next place in news, which is Lebanon. Now, why has Lebanon made to the headlines? Israel suspends strike on southern Lebanon village after Lebanese army request. So Israel has suspended their strike on southern Lebanon village after the Lebanese army has made request. Now let us look at some crucial facts about Lebanon. So the location is West Asia, Levant region, and the capital and the largest city is Beirut. The government is Unitary Parliamentary Republic under confessionalism and ancient part of Phoenician civilization. It borders Syria, Israel, and the Mediterranean Sea. Now you can see the location of Lebanon here in the map. This part is Lebanon, and now let us look at some key highlights of Lebanon. Human habitation in Lebanon dates back to 5000 BC, reflecting ancient continuous settlements in history. So the human settlements in Lebanon have been since 5000 BC, and the region later became under Roman, Byzantine, Arab Caliphate, Crusader, Mamluk, and Ottoman rule. So it was successively ruled by all these big empires. A developing lower middle income country. It is a developing lower middle income country facing severe economic and political crisis today nationwide. So it is facing severe economic and political crisis today nationwide. You can see the location of Lebanon in the map, world map here. This is Lebanon. Moving forward, let's talk about the last place in news, which is Jordan. Now, why has Jordan made to the headlines? Prime Minister Modi concludes a 2-day successful visit to Jordan, and now let us look at the crucial facts about Jordan. The region is in southern Levant, West Asia. The capital and the largest city is Amman. A government is unitary parliament, constitutional monarchy. It shares land borders with Syria to the north, Iraq to the east, Saudi Arabia to south and southeast, and Israel and West Bank to the west. Now, coastline, it shares coastline with Red Sea coastline along the Gulf of Aqaba in southwest. Now, Dead Sea, it is located along the western border, Jordan River Valley. Now, you can see the location of Jordan. This is Jordan, and Saudi Arabia, Iraq, Syria, West Bank, Israel, and some part of Egypt also. So this is Jordan. Okay, now let us look at some key highlights here. Jordan gained independence in 1946. It was annexed by the West Bank in 1948. It lost it in 1967 and renounced its claim in 1988. So you can see how politically unstable the region has been. Jordan signed a peace treaty with Israel in 1994. It is a semi-arid country covering an area of 89,342 kilometers square, and Jordan's economy is lower middle income with developed tourism and medical services but limited resources. So Jordan doesn't have a lot of resources, it has limited resources, but even though they have developed tourism and medical services. Now you can see the location of Jordan here in the world map. So we have covered all the important places in news, and that is it for today. I will see you in another deep dive video. Until then, bye bye, take care.